Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. And today we'll be doing a very interesting poem, that is Bring Me a Letter. And we all know a person who brings letter to us is known as a postman. So let's just begin with it. Title of our poem is Bring Me a Letter, right? Read this interesting poem and of course we will enjoy. Bring me a letter, postman. Postman, please मेरे लिए letter लेकर आओ. Bring me a letter. Do जल्दी से लेकर आओ. Tomorrow at the garden gate पे I will wait for you. मैं आपकी wait करूँगी. Bring one from the fairy. एक फेरी से लेकर आना. Who will say that she will come to tea, कि वो चाय पीने आएगी. Then I will put on my party frock, और फिर मैं अपनी पार्टी वाली फ्रॉक पहनूंगी. How lovely that will be, वो कितनी अच्छी होगी. And please, oh Mr. Postman, if fairies would know, you know none, अगर आप किसी फेरी को नहीं जानते हैं, just write a letter from yourself, खुद से लिख दीजिएगा, and bring it just for fun. And it has been written by Alice Todd. Right, moving on to the word basket. The first word is postman. We all know a person who brings letters and parcels. Tomorrow means the coming day. Fairy, we all know it's an imaginary being with the magical powers. And frock means a garment that is worn by girls, and none means no one. Moving on to the exercises. First, we'll be doing the oral exercises where you will be completing all these question answers on your own. Moving on to this, pick the correct option. A girl asked to bring her letter to what? To postman, right? And she says a letter to bring a letter from fairy, right? Now we'll be completing these lines, right? ये क्या कह रहे हैं कि bring dash postman, that is bring me a letter. Postman, I will wait for you. Okay. Who dash, जो कि वो क्या आएगी? Who says that she will come to tea. How dash be, how lovely that it will be. Right? And please, oh Mr. Postman, write a letter from yourself. आप खुद से ही लिख देना मेरे लिए, and just bring it, right, just for fun. And moving on to the question answers, please do all these question answers on your own. And I hope you all liked the poem and you all understood it. Please go through the poem, learn all the word meanings, and please keep studying hard for your exam and stay blessed. Thank you.